what I would have done is like kiss for just a couple seconds,
Mhm.
pull away, talk into her ear really slightly, like say some like, I don't know, it depends on what the conversation was. Or sometimes I'll be like, okay, hold on, we gotta slow the down. Or I could be like, wow, your lips are so soft. I love the way you kiss. It really depends on the dynamic of the girl. It could be teasy, or it could be complimentary and like somewhat sexual, or it
Mhm.
could be like, we need to slow down. We got to behave. We're in public kind of a thing. I don't think the first time I would kiss though, I would ramp up to like trying to escalate to a more private location. If anything, it would be the opposite. I would actually pull away from the kiss, tease her a little bit about it, or hint at, wow, you're like putting so many like naughty thoughts in my head right now. We got to calm down. Or like, wow, you're like tempting me like way too much right now. We got to slow down. Or wow, your lips are so soft. I love the way you kissed me. It really depends on the girl. There's times where the girl's like a little bit more shy and reserved. I may pull back and be like, this is crazy. I can't believe we're kissing already. Like, I feel like I just met you. To make the girl feel more secure about it, because the girl's probably thinking like, oh my God, I kissed this guy already. I don't even
Mhm.
know this fucking guy. I'll play that card before she can play it if I feel like that's where we're at. Other
Gotcha.
times, I feel like the girl may be really into it. And if that's the case, I'll probably pull away from the kiss and be like, oh my God, your lips are so fucking soft. I love the way you kiss. Hold on, we got to slow down. Both of those could be the right play, depends on the girl. Or when I pull back, I'd be like, wow, you have really nice eyes. I just noticed. I would stay right here, but I wouldn't keep kissing her. And I would just talk in her ear for a little bit. At some point, I may even make a joke and break the tension away. Okay, you build it up, you pull it away, and then you break the tension away by making like a joke or a laugh or a teasing push away. And then you keep vibing. Then you can build up the physicality a little bit more later on. And that's going to help increase her trust and comfort and security within you, knowing that I could kiss this guy and he's not just going to try to pull me. There's another angle too where like the girl's really about it and probably even is thinking about where I may pull away and be like, "Oh my God, you got to calm down. Like we're in public. I'm getting hard right now." I may even put her hand on my dick, but I tell her we need to calm down. I keep talking to her, and then I may lead her. I'm not going to say, "Hey, we need to go somewhere private right away," but each one of those angles could be calibrated to the girl and where she's at in terms of actual buying temperature and where we're at in the night and what the logistical situation is. Let's go. Let's go somewhere private right now. Like, whoa, like I just met you. Slow down. So I think you actually probably triggered a red flag within her by kissing her right away and like, let's go somewhere private. I also don't like the words let's go somewhere private because that implies like I'm going to do something sexual with you right now. I would have
Yeah.
much rather you just kept talking to her in like a seductive, soft voice, and then maybe tried to lead her somewhere in the venue still with a different
Gotcha.
excuse of not let's go somewhere private. I would just be like, let's go check out the downstairs. I heard like the music's really good. Or let's go over there. I want to go sit down for a little bit. Even though it is more private, I just don't like
Mhm.
those words. It's almost like if I'm telling the girl, like, hey, let's go back to my house and chill in my bedroom. Like, even if the girl wants to come home with you, she's not going to do that. It's just like it triggers something within her mind that way. So there's more acceptable, attractive ways to present it to the girl, you know?
Gotcha. Okay.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And by the way, if you want to work with me personally to implement any of the techniques in this video to become more socially confident, get more women in your life, build a bigger social circle, and really just dominate life in any aspect socially, I can help you with that. I'm the guy for that. Okay. Been doing this for a long time. I've transformed myself going from a video game nerd loser to becoming one of the top guys in the industry with this stuff. Okay. So if you're interested in working with me personally, click the link below, click the link in the description, fill out the application, and we will be contacting you to discuss further details. Until next time, Coach Kyle signing out. Peace.